Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a little skincare. I'm going to try out a new mask from e.l.f. I'm really excited to try it. It is the recharging magnetic mask. You guys have probably seen or heard about this, but it's supposed to like be a magnet on your face. So I don't know, I've never used it. I tried it out. e.l.f. did send this to me, so I just want to make that clear. I'm not getting paid for them. I'm not affiliated. They just sent it so I could give it a go. So opening it up, it is this little beauty shield and then this little pack. I love trying new face stuff. Like, love trying new skincare. Oh shit. So looks like this is just like a little thing. It's kind of heavy. Definitely feels like a big magnet. Alright, let's read the directions. To remove mask, hover the magnetic tool just above the surface of your skin and slowly guide. Ooh, it is super thick. Wow, really thick. Okay. Super thick. Doesn't smell bad. It smells good. I'm just going to pick up like a little foundation brush. This is by Bayjoy. Super affordable brushes if you guys are in the market to get new brushes, but you don't want to spend a lot of money. Good quality and they're super inexpensive. So I'm just going to put this on my face. Doesn't say how much to put on, like if you want, ooh, you should put a thin layer or a thick, so I'm just going to kind of go a little bit. When I put it on, it kind of almost, yeah, you want to use a pretty thick amount, I think, because it's easier to smooth it. You can see when I kind of move it around my skin, it kind of like balls up almost. Feels really good though. Feels like I'm putting like something really soft. Feels like I'm putting marshmallows on my face. It's like a really weird reference, but that's kind of what it feels like. Not that I've ever done that, but I feel like if I did, this is what it would feel like. Alright, so I'm gonna let that dry. This has antioxidant powered carrot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, argan oil. Help protect against environmental aggressors. Formulated without parabens, sulfates, phosphates, alcohol. Right, so it says to leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. So I will be right back. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to give this a try. So I'm going to take the magnetic remover right here. And I'm going to put it kind of close to my skin. Oh shit. Damn. Came right off. It looks like little pieces of like hair. Oh shit. That's fucking crazy. What I kind of liked about this is that my skin's not incredibly dry at all. It actually feels really smooth after. And usually charcoal masks will really dry you out. So you have to be careful not to leave them on too long. Like underneath my eyes is a little hard to get to. So I'm just going to wipe the rest of my face off with this little towel. Here we go. Here is my face. After the mask, it feels really, really soft. And I even got out the Clarins Hydra Essential Serum because I figured my skin was going to be really, really dried out from this. But I'm actually not. It feels really good underneath. It feels really silky smooth. I'm really shocked. But I'm just going to put a little bit of this on anyway, because after you're done doing a mask, especially like a charcoal mask or anything that's supposed to get rid of, like, clean your pores or get rid of your pimples, stuff like that, like really give you a deep clean, you should always really, really hydrate because they take a lot out of your skin. So you just want to replenish yourself. So here I am, makeup free. Mask is off, my skin feels awesome. I'm super impressed. I was expecting my skin to be incredibly dry and I still cannot believe how good it feels. My skin literally feels like a baby's butt, like so silky smooth. So I'm really loving this. I don't know how good it is like for getting away pimples or anything like that. I wouldn't say it's super deep cleaning. It just feels really, really refreshing. So I really like this. I'll probably do this maybe a few times a month, I don't know, but I'm really liking how it worked out. I'm surprised that it magnetically picked up. That was pretty cool, definitely different. So yeah, thumbs up. Let me know if you guys have tried this product and what you guys think about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.